first digital drawing setup, I had a Wacom Intuos. It was like this big.
I was originally drawing on the paper and I scanned it and I started playing around with Photoshop.
My very first drawing platform, we're talking about Photoshop 2. Layers weren't even in that edition, I believe. No tablet, just a mouse.
We believe that drawing and painting deserve a specialized digital tool that brings the field to a whole new level. And that's why we're excited to preview Project Gemini, our new dedicated drawing and painting application for the iPad.
What really impressed me about Gemini was the watercolor. I haven't seen good digital watercolor, but the demonstration that Kyle did blew me away.
And one of my favorite things to do with real watercolors is to just use water. Don't bother with the pigment at all. So I'm just going to suck out all the color of that brush.
It looked exactly like watercolors, behaving just like watercolor.
It just changes my world now. I can paint with oil on my iPad. That's incredible. And you can be creative anywhere you want.
Mysterious Gemini, I can't wait to crack it open and see all the possibilities.